Hello, this is AliExpress Hammock with Mosquito net review. It only takes 1 minute to set it up and twice as much to pack it down, which is really convenient when camping. Mosquito net, which uses threaded wires or power cords to hang it up, which I forgot at home for the review. It can easily hold me as I weigh only 100 kilos. The limit of it says on the package 200 kilos, so basically it can hold me twice my weight, which is really convenient. Also, this hammock weighs little to nothing, around 300 grams, which is super convenient when hiking and you want to keep your